It is commonly believed that the first was the training airship, the military airship of 1908. But few people know about the very first attempt to build a Russian airship, which took place back in 1812. It didn't take off, but the scale and boldness are impressive. After all, airships had only been invented 30 years before that. In 1812, there was a war with Napoleon, and the demand for innovative weapons was high. It was planned to build an airship armed with rockets and cannonballs with gunpowder charges. Who was the brave soul who took on such a difficult task? Franz Lepich, a German inventor. Actually, he was an ordinary carpenter, a bit of a musician, and went down in history as an adventurer. In the Vorontsov estate near Moscow, a steerable balloon was created under his supervision. It was a large, pear-shaped balloon, 57 meters long. It was covered with a rope net, to which a wooden power frame and a gondola were attached. At the back, a tail was attached on hinges, serving as an elevator, and on the sides, oars which were operated by live rowers sitting in the gondola. This airship made it to flight tests. For a few seconds, the airship lifted 2 people on board up to 10 meters in the air. However, this is not considered the first flight. The historic first flight dates back to 1852, accomplished by the airship of French engineer Henri Giffard. You have to admit, it's a shame, since the Russian airship was the largest aerostat in the world at the time it was built and anticipated the achievements of the 20th century. It was the first semi-rigid airship and the first aircraft with a streamlined shape. But there's no need to be upset. Now, in the 21st century, Russia once again has a chance to set and secure new records. Thanks to the new Generation Airships project, the Nova 01, Russia's first unmanned airship, has already been launched. What comes next? A lot depends on us. After all, the Russian New Generation Airships project is funded through crowd investing, that is, by the people. Want to take part and see our airships in the sky? Join us using the link in the description.